Time and space have decreased as a result of technological advancement. As a result, businesses are constantly improving their processes through the use of technology in order to increase efficiency. Blockchain technology, which was created as a distributed record of transactions, serves as a platform for information distribution. By constructing a distributed database, individuals can communicate with one another. Data information distributed on the blockchain is a valuable asset, and blockchain acts as a system that secures the data. Every business transaction consists of a set of data among which are the partners, buyers and sellers, orders, payment methods, and amount of discount and detailed payment invoices. In an online marketplace, the set of data are stored centrally on the marketplace platform. Adapting the data in a blockchain based platform, all information is accurately recorded using cryptography and stored in a blocks. Today, I want to introduce yourself with a blockchain based platform, and that is Tocoin. The trading ecosystem is about to implement Tocoin as a highway of data distribution. By recording transactions on Tocoin, all participants involved are guaranteed a secure ecosystem of blockchain, with tokens as sign of credibility scoring. Every participant will benefit depending on his own needs. Partners get relevant data, while users as a downstream participants will benefit from access to business expansion and funding opportunities. Here, in the transaction stage, Tocoin provides a permanent record of information and transactions. The accuracy is guaranteed, for each transaction recorded is transferable and immutable. Tocoin will operate as an infrastructure that stores data in a decentralized manner. Here, after MSMEs as users input their profile and transaction data properly, they can secure their reputation profile. As a note, data from users will be validated as valuable assets. Partner as service providers take tokens to access the data to determine the credibility of their prospective clients. They have made an important positive development to welcome more participants in their ecosystem. With the proposed idea and approach to utilize data distribution for credit scoring and business growth, Tocoin aims to bring an elevation in the economic growth by leveraging and sustaining MSMEs as a powerful driver of a country's economy in the emerging markets. Tocoin's platform issues Toco on the blockchain as a means of interaction between participants. Toco is used as an incentive when a participant in the ecosystem submits transaction data and validates the data. Also, it is a prerequisite for using certain service on Toco's platform, including the business insight service provided by Tocoin. For service providers, Toco is used for accessing advancement and transaction data of MSMEs. With more and more participants using Tocoin service, the participants will have to stake and use the tokens to use Tocoin platform, and this later raises the price of Toco. Toco is generated by ERC20 token and can be converted into certain mainnet protocols if the team decided that it is necessary. This way, Toco will be converted into new tokens based on the new protocol. As utility tokens, the users of Toco token is supported to be within the ecosystem. MSMEs use Toco tokens to build credit scoring that can be used later to access business services. Partners such as financial institutions use Toco tokens as a prerequisite for accessing MSMEs data and information. So, don't be late. Get dressed and take this opportunity. Thank you and wish you all the best.